So now you see geometric progression GP. Okay, geometric progression. Now earlier we learned about arithmetic progression. Okay, earlier we learned about arithmetic progression. Now in this video it is geometric progression. So first of all we will have to remember here that uh, first term you can say T1 or T1 and it is equals to A, and in here in arithmetic progression we used to call it common difference. In here we will call it common ratio. Okay, in here we will call it common ratio. It is equals to R, and the nth term Tn or Tn, and the nth term Tn or Tn, it is given by AR n minus 1, and the nth term of an GP, it is also called the general term. It is also called the general term. Okay, nth term or the general term of an GP, it is given by AR n minus 1. So you see difference between geometric and arithmetic progression. These two differences you see. In geometric progression, the first term, it is denoted by A. In arithmetic progression also, the first term T1 or T1, it is denoted by A. In here we call it common difference. In here we call it common difference, denoted by small letter d. Okay, common difference, but in here we call it common ratio, denoted by small letter r. And in here the nth term of an AP, it is given by A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, A plus n minus 1 into d, and in here it is given as AR n minus 1. Okay, and then next you see geometric mean. Okay, geometric mean. So in here you see, if A, B, C are in GP, okay, then I can say that B is equals to, if A, B, C are in GP, then I can say that B is equals to root over AC. That is geometric mean of any two terms, it is equals to root over product of the terms. It is equals to root over product of the terms. Okay, and arithmetic mean, you see difference. Arithmetic mean, A, B, C are in AP, A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then what can I say? Twice B is equals to A plus C. Yes, twice B is equals to A plus C, then B is equals to A plus C by 2. Yes, this is your, let me write it nicely. Geometric mean of any two terms, it is given by is equals to root over product of the terms. Yes, geometric mean of any two terms, it is equals to root over product of the terms. And in arithmetic mean, okay, in arithmetic mean of any two terms, arithmetic mean of any two terms, it was given by sum of the two terms. Let me see one time. Sum of the arithmetic mean. Yes, sum of the terms divided by 2. Okay, sum of the terms divided by 2. So these are the difference between geometric progression and arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression we have already learned. Now in geometric progression it is that the first term, okay, I can denote it by T1 or T1, it is equals to A. In arithmetic progression also first term we denote it by T1 or T1, capital letter T1, and it is also equals to A, it is same. But in here we call it common ratio and it is denoted by R, but in arithmetic progression we used to call it common difference denoted by small letter d. And in here the nth term of a GP or the general term of a GP, it is given by this one, this formula AR n minus 1, but in arithmetic progression it was given by A plus n minus 1 into D. And geometric mean of any two terms, it is given by root over product of the terms. But arithmetic mean of any two terms, it is equals to sum of the terms divided by 2. These are some of the differences. Okay. And next again you see here, next one, I am this one, I am rubbing it. Next difference I am showing you between arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So to find the sum of a finite geometric series, okay, so in here the formula is Sn is equals to A 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Okay, when common ratio is less than 1. Okay, and Sn is equals to A Rn minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Understand? To find the sum of a finite geometric series, the formula is Sn is equals to A 1 minus r to the power n by Sn is equals to A into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r when r is less than 1, and the formula will be, the Sn formula will be A into Rn minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. And in arithmetic progression, you see, you have already learned in arithmetic progression, you see determination of the sum of an arithmetic series, up to n terms, it was given by only one formula, Sn is equals to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Understand? So these are the difference between geometric progression and arithmetic progression. Okay. Now next it is, you see, next I will do the comparison. The comparison of AM and GM. Comparison of arithmetic mean and geometric mean of any two numbers. Okay, comparison of arithmetic mean and geometric mean of any two numbers. Now arithmetic mean of any two numbers, it is given by, we know, a plus b by 2, and geometric mean of any two numbers, it is given by root over ab. Okay, now one thing you remember is that a is greater than g. That means, you see, for two unequal positive real numbers, their arithmetic mean is greater than the geometric mean. Okay, a is greater than g. This one you remember. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Understand? Where a and g are arithmetic mean and geometric mean of a and b. Understand? A and g are arithmetic mean and geometric mean of a and b. So these are the important. Okay, next we will go to exercise 6.3. Okay, so this is our exercise 6.3. So number 1, you see, in the following geometric progression, find the terms mentioned in the bracket. I have to find the terms. In our previous video we did about arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progression. Now in here we will do geometric progression, GP. Understand? Geometric progression. So find the terms mentioned in the brackets. Find the terms mentioned in the brackets. So first one, it is 1, minus 2, 4, dot, 8th term. Yes, 8th term. So solution, find the terms mentioned in the brackets. So here you see, here the first term, a is equals to, what is the first term here? 1. Common ratio CR or small letter r you can write. Common ratio r is equals to, you see, common ratio will be minus 2 by 1 is equals to minus 2. Understand? Minus 2 by 1. Okay, is equals to minus 2 I will get. So now in here you see minus 2, which is less than 1. So therefore T8, okay, the 8th term, I have to find the terms mentioned in the bracket. Terms, I have to find the 8th term. So 8th term will be, how I will write? Let me write it first of all, the formula. Tn is equals to nth term. Okay, Tn is equals to ARn minus 1. Therefore T8 is equals to, okay, T8 is equals to A is what? A is 1. So 1 into common ratio, it is minus 2 to the power 8 minus 1. Yes, So is equals to, this will be minus 2 to the power 7, minus 2 to the power 7. How much I will get here? 2 to the power 7. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Yes, 16 to the 32, 32 4 the 32 4 the 32 4 the 4 to the 8, 4 3 the. So I will get minus 128. So the eighth term, understand, the eighth term of the GP is minus 128. Okay, the eighth term of the GP is minus 128. So now sum. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, sum of the GP. Yes, sum of the GP up to 8th term. Sum of the GP up to 8th term. Understand? It is given as this one. S8. Okay, let me write it properly. So this one over. Next I will write. Now sum of the GP up to 8th term. It will be given as T8 is equals to, what is the formula? You see, R is less than 1. So since R is less than 1, I will use page number 207. You see formula number A. Okay, formula number A, the first formula I will use. Since R is less than 1, so therefore in here I will use, you see, okay, if R is less than 1, then Sn formula is A 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. This is the formula if R is less than 1. So sorry, T8 not, this will be, I will write S8. Okay, S8 is equals to A value is what? 1, bracket start, 1 minus R value minus 2 to the power n means 8. So again 1 minus 2. So this will be is equals to 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8. How much I will get? 16 into 16. 6 6 is 36. 9 6 1 6. 15 256 I will get. Yes. So this one I will get 1 minus 256 by 1 plus 2 I will get. So minus 255 by 3 I will get. Yes, minus 255 by 3 I will get. Now if I divide it, 255, 3 8s are 24, 1 5, 3 5s are 15. So this is equals to minus 85 I will get. So sum of the GP up to 8th term. Yes, sum of the GP up to 8th term, which is S8, is equals to 1 minus 2 to the power 8 by 1 minus 2. So ultimately my answer will be minus 85. Okay. Next again you see, next I will do number C. Okay, next I will do number C. Rest of the problems you try to do by yourself. It is not very hard. Next I will do number C. So number C here, the GP is 1, minus 3, 9, minus 27 dot 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 up to 10th term. So first of all I will have to find the 10th term. Okay, first of all I will have to find the 10th term, and then I will have to find the sum of the GP up to 10th term. So here you see the first term. The first term A is equals to 1. Common ratio small letter r is equals to minus 3 by 1 is equals to minus 3, which is less than 1. Okay, next Next I will find the Th term, okay, Th term, which is 10th term, Th term, not sorry, 10th term, which is T10. T10 is equals to, what is the formula? Tn in here, geometric progression, Tn formula is AR n minus 1, yes, AR n minus 1. So in here A is 1 into minus 3 to the power, this will be 10 minus 1, yes, n minus 1, n is 10 here, so 10 minus 1. So this will be minus 3 to the power 9. So minus 3 to the power 9, 3 to the 3 into 3 into 3, this will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 27, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 18, 7 2s are 14, 5, 9, 12, 6, 7, 29. Again into 27, I will get 7 9s are 63, 7 2s are 14, 20, 7 7s are 49, 50, 51, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 5, 7 2s are 14. So this is 3, 8, 6, 9, 1. So my answer will be minus 19683. Okay, 19683. Let me check the back answer here. Type 1 number C. Type 1 number C. It is not measured. Minus 1 when n is even, minus n when n is odd. Okay, so this will be the answer. Understand, the 10th term will be, this will 19683. Understand, this will be the answer. Now I will have to find the sum. Okay, sum I will have to find. So directly in here I am writing S10. Okay, S10. So since R is less than 1, so our Sn formula is Sn formula is n. Let me check one time. Sn formula it is yes, Sn, if R is less than 1, so therefore Sn formula will be A 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. Yes, A R to the power. So S10 will be A value is 1 minus R is what? R value is minus 3. Yes, minus 3 to the power, n is 10 here. So by 1 minus 3. So this way it will be 1 minus 3 to the power 10. 3 to the power 10 I will get 19683 into 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 24, 3 6 is a 18, 19, 20, 3 7 is a 29, 3 1 is a 3 5. So this will be, I will get 59049 by this one, plus become 1 plus 3, I will get 4. So this is ultimately minus 59048 by 4 I will get. If I divide it by 4, 4 1s are 4, 1 9, 4 4 4s are 16, 3 0, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 64, sorry, 4 7s I can use, 4 7s are 28, 2 4, 4 6s are 24, 4 2s are minus 14762 I will get. Understand? Minus 14762 I will get. Sum of the GP up to 10 term, S10. Okay. So this one, if you see, very easy there. First of all, you will have to remember the formula. Okay. In GP, the nth term, it is given by AR n minus 1, and the sum of the GP up to nth term, it is given as A 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. If R is less than 1, okay, this formula is applicable if R is less than 1. R means the common ratio.